In this video, you'll learn how to integrate custom HTML in WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to add your custom code to a page or post effectively. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the Pages or Posts section in the left-hand menu. Click on either of these options depending on where you want to add the custom HTML. After selecting Pages or Post, choose the specific page or post you wish to edit. You can do this by clicking on the title of the page or post from the list displayed. This action will open the editor for that content. Next, locate the area within the editor where you want to insert your custom HTML. To do this, click on the plus sign labeled Add Block, which is usually found at the top left corner or within the content area. A block menu will appear. In the block menu, type custom HTML in the search bar or scroll through the available options until you find it. Click on the custom HTML block to add it to your page or post. You will see a new block appear in the editor. Now paste your HTML code into the field provided in the custom HTML block. Ensure that the code is correctly formatted, as any errors may affect how it displays on your site. Once you have pasted the code, you can check how it will look by clicking the preview button located above the block. After viewing the preview, if everything appears as expected, you can proceed to publish your changes. If you are editing an existing post or page, look for the update button. If this is a new post or page, you will see the publish button. Click the appropriate button to save your changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.